Hello, we are Group 16. We are going to explain contact hypersensitivity. First, contact hypersensitivity is almost the same as contact dermatitis, so we will explain contact dermatitis. Contact dermatitis is a type of allergic reaction. It is an inflammatory skin disease caused by contact of the skin with an antigen such as metal, lacquer, ointment, etc. Symptoms include itching, rash, redness, and blistering. Contact dermatitis can be divided into allergic and non-allergic. Allergic types are allergic contact dermatitis and photocontact dermatitis. Non-allergic type is irritant contact dermatitis. We explain in detail later. Allergies range from type 1 to type 4. Contact dermatitis is included in a type 4, delayed allergic reaction. Unlike type 1 to 3, type 4 is triggered by cellular immunity. Tissue cells and activated macrophages cause inflammation through cytotoxicity. Therefore, it takes longer for inflammation to occur, often 24 hours or more, and inflammation lasts longer than in type 1 to type 3. Prolonged inflammation leads to the formation of granulomas. Next, we describe the mechanism. First, when the antigen comes into contact with the skin, the antigen is taken up by dendritic cells and macrophages in the epidermis. Dendritic cells and macrophages present antigens to CD4 positive naive T cells through MHC class II. Then they produce cytokines such as interleukin-12, interferon gamma. These cytokines induce CD4 positive naive T cells to differentiate into Th1 cells. Some naive T cells become memory T cells. Dendritic cells and macrophages also present antigens to CD8 positive naive T cells through MHC class I. Th1 cells produce cytokines such as interleukin-2 and interferon gamma. Th1-derived cytokines induce CD8 positive naive T cells to differentiate into Tc cells. Some naive T cells become memory T cells. Interferon gamma also activates macrophages. Tissue cells and activated macrophages cause cytotoxicity at the site of contact, resulting in inflammation. When antigen exposure occurs again, antigen presentation to memory T cells activates memory T cells and differentiates into Th1 cells or Tc cells. It results in a rapid and intense response to antigens. Then let me explain some examples of contact dermatitis. First, irritant contact dermatitis. It accounts for 80% of all contact dermatitis and results from direct skin damage caused by chemicals. It is caused by acids, alkalis, solvents, plants, strong soaps, etc. Second, allergic contact dermatitis. It occurs when the substance comes into contact with the skin. The immune system recognizes it as harmful. The causes are plants such as lacquer and rubber, perfumes, metals, etc. The third, photocontact dermatitis. Symptoms do not occur when the antigen such as sunscreen and perfume comes into contact with the skin. But inflammation or rash occurs when the area is exposed to sunlight or ultraviolet light.